Hello everyone. We're going to do a brief introduction to correlation and regression. Correlation and regression are used for bivariate data. Bi meaning two, variate meaning variables. So the first thing that we need to do is make sure that our calculator is in the correct mode and it's going to show us everything we need. So I'd like for you to get your calculator and go down to Second Catalog. Catalog has everything that our calculator would do, so if you ever get lost, you can find it in the catalog. But for right now, go down to Diagnostics On, and when you get down to Diagnostics On, we're going to select that and then click Enter. And it'll just say Diagnostics On, and you're like, sure, Diagnostics On, Enter. And then it'll go, done, we're done with that. Okay, so as long as that has been done, it will stay showing us everything we need until you either lose your charge, your batteries go dead, or you clear your memory. Then you'll have to go through this process again. Okay, so we have two variables, age and weight of some little kids. We just took a few little kids and took their age and weight, and we're going to go into Stat, Edit, just like we've done before, and put in our data. And I just made this up, so I don't know if it's accurate or not. Okay, you may need to stop the video and work on this, but once you get your data entered, you're thinking, I want to do some stats with this. Stat. And I want to calculate something, but I'm not calculating like mean, median, and mode. I'm going to calculate regression. And there's two different regressions. There's AX plus B, which is like Y equals MX plus B that you've done for like years and years. And then number 8 is A plus BX, which is like fixed plus variable cost, like the plumber shows up, charges $100 an hour, or $100 for showing up, and then $75 per hour. You can use either one. Just pay attention to which one you use. For right now, we're going to pick LinReg AX plus B, and you have to tell it where your lists are. X list is list 1, Y list is list 2. For right now, leave anything else blank. If you have an older calculator, you will work this just like you did one variable stats, and you'll do LinReg list 1, list 2. But you just need to let it know where things are, and then enter, 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 and now we get our output. Y equals AX plus B. A is a variable. A stands for slope. Don't know why they don't use M, but they didn't ask me. And then B is our y-intercept. So the equation of your regression line is y equals, and you do not have to use all 15 digits. It's okay with me if you round it off to a couple. Y equals 9.34x plus 1904. R squared, we're going to talk about later. R is super important, so write that down. R is 0.967. And then we will talk later about what does R mean. How do you know if R is good? If you took Math 171, you did a little bit of regression, and you know that the closer R is to 1, the better things are. It can also be close to -1. Positive 1 is a perfect positive correlation. -1 is perfect negative. But for right now, I wanted you to just practice with your calculator, getting your regression equation and your value for R and getting your diagnostics set up. And we will talk about the rest later. Have a beautiful day.